club, it's massive, but at the same time it's a big privilege. So it doesn't change my position. It will be always the same. I love to play football anywhere in the pitch. I love to play football, and I will always give the best of my abilities to help the team. I haven't fulfilled my dreams yet, so I think I still can give something to the club. I think I'm still in a position where I'm helpful.
He's such an important part of this team, and he has been for 6 years now. And I was here when he came to the club, and seeing the impact he had, his attitude, his mentality, his willingness to kind of sacrifice and put himself out there every single time. And then his quality, his moments. You know, he's a fantastic footballer.